Good morning. This is cause number 2020-46594 in the interest of Delilah Segovia. All parties in this matter, please raise your right hands to be sworn. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? All parties in this case, please raise your right hand to be sworn. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. Ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Janeri Segovia. I am the mother of Delilah Segovia.
All right. Mr. Garcia, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Eric Garcia, not the father of the child.
And Mr. Chavez, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Carlos Chavez, and I'm not the father of Delilah.
All right. Mr. Chavez is the presumed father, Mr.
Yes, sir.
Jeffers. All right.
Yes, sir.
All right, Ms. Jeffers, identify yourself, please, and who you
Good morning, Your
represent.
Honor. My name is Attorney Angela Jeffries. I'm with the Office of the Attorney General.
And we've got a petition to establish the parent-child relationship. What are we doing today?
Two things, Your Honor. DNA evidence showed that Mr. Chavez was excluded as a biological father of this child. So we are doing a non-adjudication of parentage for him and removing him from our case. But then we're also having Mr. Garcia admonished to complete his DNA testing. Since the last setting, he did not complete the DNA testing. And I don't think he understood that he does need to go ahead and follow through with that DNA testing. Parties on this case.
Okay, he's the alleged father.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. All right, Mr. Garcia, you need to present yourself for a DNA test, or otherwise, if you don't, then you will be found automatically to be the father. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have any questions about it?
Is there extended court so I can get an attorney?
I'm sorry, you're breaking up. I didn't understand what you said. Say it again, please.
Okay. Is there any way we can extend the court so I can get an attorney?
Yeah, well, we're going to reset this matter. What is the reset date, Ms. Jeffries?
It's September 14th of 2021, Your Honor.
Okay, we've got until September 14th, sir. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's sufficient time to get yourself an attorney if you wish. But I would, if I were you, I'd talk to an attorney and ask him what happens if you don't show up for the DNA test. If he knows the law, he's going to say you're going to be automatically made the father of this child. Okay? If you take the DNA test and they find that you're not the father, well, then you're out of the case. You won't be established as the father of this child. So I don't think, I don't, I don't think you have a choice one way or the other. If you take the test and they find you're not the father, then you're not. If you take the test, they find you're the father, then you are. If you don't take the test, we're going to find you're the father. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Well, okay. What about if I want to sign the rights and
Sign away your rights?
Yeah.
Can't do that unless there's somebody that's going to adopt this child. Child is entitled to have a father. Did you have sex with Miss Segovia?
No.
Never had sex with her. Well, then go take the DNA test and they'll show you're not the father. Very easy.
Okay, but okay, so like I said, if I want to sign the rights, I mean, she's married.
Sir, you can't do that. Okay? No judge is going to bastardize a child. If the child has no father, then they, what we used to call is a bastard, there is the father there somewhere. If you didn't have sex with her, man, I'd rush over there and take that DNA test, because then it's going to show you're not the father. Sounds to me like you may not be telling the truth. Are you sure you didn't have sex with her?
Okay. I mean, yeah, that's fine. When can I go have the DNA test? I mean, I can go right now. I have time right now.
All
Your
right.
Honor, we have to schedule that pursuant to the guidelines from the CDC because of COVID restrictions. So he will get an appointment time. We will make sure he gets properly scheduled.
All right. You'll get an appointment, Mr. Garcia. Ms. Segovia, did you have sex with Mr. Garcia? I hear you laughing. I'm sorry?
Apparently we were dating for a year, so yeah, we did. But it's
Okay.
okay. He could deny once.
I
They could do a
figured,
DNA.
yeah, I know. I figured he wasn't quite telling the truth about that, but okay. Father admonished about taking DNA tests, and the case is reset to what date?
September 14th of 2021, Your Honor.
You know, whenever you have sex with somebody, Mr. Garcia, you're taking a chance that that woman's going to get pregnant. I'm sure you're old enough to know that. So, and so they will notify you as to when the DNA test will be available. All right, and this case reset to September 14th, 2021. If you did not show Mr. Garcia, the case will be defaulted against you. Understood?
Yes.
All right.